Foul. Foul with jersey number 3, Levi Linguete. First personal foul, 13 foul of Sabre Kings. Shooting 2, Angkaya. First one is good. Second one is not good. Ribabay. Ipamoseno. Pass to Mongosera. Mongosera lumipad. 2 points. Jeru Mongosera. EJ. Florido. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Yin. ID Indri. No good. Airborne. Airborne. Pass to Kama. Kama. Short number. No good. Di Babay. Bautista. To Angkaya. Angkaya para masuk Ponce. To no good. Di Babay. Mikey. Di Babay manalili. No good. Di Babay ni Pumuseno. No good. Di Babay. Ponce. To EJ. Florido ala move. No good. Di Babay. Angkaya. 2 points. Angkaya. Johan Angkaya. Pass to Mongosera. Crossover mo by Mongosera. 14 seconds to shoot. Kama. Take it, 3. No good. Di Babay. Johan Angkaya. Super E. Pass to EJ. No good. No good again. Di Babay. Kama. To Linguete. To Kama. Pass to Linguete. Ay, ano? Mongosera. Out of bounds. Ball goes to HSC. Counters. No good. Ribabay. Kama. Pass to Mongosera. All alone. 2 points. Zero. Mongosera. Assist by Jacqueline Kama.
1-2. Pares yan.
Hit. Foul by jersey number 3. Second personal foul by Levi Linguete. Warning for penalty. Shooting 2. Yin Agka Willie. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kaya ni Super Yin. Is good. 1 out of 2 by Yin Akawi. 2 minutes and 8 seconds on the second quarter. Nepomuceno. Short jumper. No good. Di Babay Kama. Foul by jersey number 8. Johan Angkaya. Sorry. First personal foul, first team foul. Steal by EJ. 2 points. Yin Agka Willie. Yun, tama na pala yun. Super G. Assist by EJ. Mongosera taking 3. No good. Di Babay. Leporino pass to Ponce. Out of bounds. Pass to Kama. Pass to foul jersey number 7. First personal foul by jersey number 7. EJ Leporino. Pass to Kama. Take it, 3. No good. Di Babay Mongosera. No good. Di Babay Bautista. No good. Di Babay Kama. Pass to Liquete. Pass to Alintogan. Alintogan, take it, Ray. No good. Rebound 5. Ponce. No good. Rebound 5. Tama again. 50 seconds remaining. Tukama. Out of bounds.
Sipag, may tattoo ko eh.
40 seconds left. Ponce. To Bautista. To Riplorido. Para pass. No good. Rebound 5 kay Pumuseno. Foul. Foul by jersey number 1. Ponce. First personal foul. 30 foul of AGC Hunters.